Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I'm going to unbox my online purchase from Amazon. And I just ordered this last a couple of weeks and I just received it yesterday, and then I'm gonna try it. So let's see guys what's inside my box. I think it's easy to open. This is what is for the brows, because I used to thread my brows in the salon, so the stores are closed, so I can't do my eyebrows. I don't know how to pluck it by myself. I can pluck it sometimes, but I can't shape it a perfect way that I like when they do in the salon. So I purchased this one and I would like to try it, if how it works. If so, this is perfect for the eyebrows. And this has the precision tip, maintain shape and cleans up brows. So with the built-in lights, lets you see even the finest hair. And comfortable hold for maximum control. Perfect for eyebrows, gentle on all skin type. This is what we're gonna try this today when I do my makeup. Okay, so there's a brush inside, and oh, it looks so cute. It's just like a pen. So this is maybe to clean the hair that's stick inside it's so cute guys, look, see, so cute. Hey, out of my way. Okay, so look at this here. It looks beautiful, and the color, I love the color. It's a light pink or baby pink, and it looks like a pen. This is how it looks like inside guys, look, just like a small tiny hole, just like, and there's a user guide inside how to use it. Let me see. Install battery, so it needs battery. Turn unit on, slide switch on position to remove hair, use on clean, dry, hold skin tight and move in small circular motions. Okay, so I'm gonna try this later because okay, so now here guys, let's try this brow shaper. Okay, open this and sure guys. So I try. Oh! Okay, so now it's working. I'm skeptical to use it because maybe there's a, I cannot see that there's a blade. Let me see how it looks like. Look guys. Let me turn off the light so you can see that. Here. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. If I turn it off and there's a light in here. Okay, let's see how it works. Ayan. I'm scared guys. Oh, you hear that? And hear that it's cutting my brow. It doesn't hurt guys, it's so smooth. And I cut it too much here. Yeah. So it's good. This is perfect. Perfect if you are you have no time to go to the parlor, and this is perfect also at this time that there's no parlors open because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So this is perfect. At least you can trim and clean your brows like this. But the only thing is I'm not good in shaping, so I cut more here than here. But because I don't have a equal brows also, but look, it's clean. I like this shape actually than this. I will just add more with the pencil. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm going only for doctor's appointment. I don't need the more makeup, or I will just put light makeup on. So I just put moisturizer after I took a bath. I put my, here's my base. Actually this is, oh, ayan, kasi wala na siya, ubos na. This is from YSL. Ayan. I'm gonna buy this again, but there's no, I don't know if I can order this online. I love to use this. It's smooth in your face. Ayan, very smooth. If I don't have this, I use this also. If I here, this one is also, and this is cheaper. This is from CoverGirl through Magic. This is a perfect, see? Ayan. This is a good skin perfector. So same like this. Yeah, so smooth on the face. I'm gonna use this. I still have, I don't know how to, I'm gonna figure out how to take that off. Yeah. So smooth, guys. Next is I'm going to put my foundation. I use YSL also for my foundation. And this is, I love the color and the touch. This is all-in-one glow foundation. So I gotta put it here. Yan. And I just do it with my brush, or sometimes I just do like this. On my neck, my ears. So you forgot to make that your nervous. That little both on my neck. Look like not much like color your face. So I use this one, this color. This is from Nude, Classic Nude. Actually, my friend gave this to me. So I'm gonna use this on the upper here to look it clean, to look it like it defines your brows. There you go. And then lighter brown, this one, like a bronze here, because I'm gonna use light only. I don't supposed to put it makeup. Actually, just for doctor's appointment, I don't put on makeup. So just like that, very light. Parang wala lang. It looks like just natural. And I don't know what brand is this. It's already came off, but I love to use this on my brows because I'm not good in shaping. I'm not good in drawing. Or sometimes I use this. Yeah, from Maybelline. They're just like this, like a mascara, so easy. Because I don't know how to draw. Or this, the pencil one. So here, just yeah. Yan siya, guys. So, is it correct? Wrong? Not too wrong. Sorry. Like, is it correct? This for me. Yeah. Just a little blush on my face, not to look pale. This is my blush from Maybelline. And just a little bit of pinkish on my face. And so that's it. Yeah, and just a little blush. Simple. I'm gonna put my mascara without the core lash. I use the from Guerlain. See here? This is without using the core lash. Crazy. Next time I'm gonna do the proper makeup, guys. No, because this time is like I don't have enough time to do this because my appointment will be on 1 o'clock and I don't know the places yet, so I need to be there at least like 20 minutes because I need to be there 10 minutes before the examination, but I need to be there like maybe 20 minutes to find the location. Ayan. At least a little like. And then my lipstick and my favorite color of, it's like a gloss only. This is from Artistry. That's it. Very simple. And I just put some loose powder. So this is from Artistry also. A little bit, but I think yeah, guys. There you go. No, this is how I look like. Is that? It's from YSL also. Yan, so guys. At least I have a little bit of glow on the face. And it's gonna be my outfit for today. Guys. Wow. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for your support. And to those who did not subscribe yet, you can subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload the new video, so you won't miss any videos of mine. See you on my next video. Thank you so much.